Bangladeshi Hindus. Now they came to New York. This is here in New York City, Manhattan. We have been now protesting against Hindu plights in Bangladesh, the killing of Hindus in Bangladesh, the oppression and the persecution for Hindus in Bangladesh. You see now the thousands of people, they came here in Manhattan to protest. So this is the voice Hindus of Bangladesh, in Hindus of the world are raising their voice. So the voice must be heard. The voice must be heard. The request must be heard to those all international people and to those